And that's relatively easy. I did it myself with the Dale Carnegie course. Some people wish I'd taken a shorter course now in terms of my talking later on. But it's just hugely important. And if you invest in yourself...
17 Frugal Living Tips, inspired by Warren Buffett. Ever wonder how Warren Buffett became one of the richest people in the world, all while living a surprisingly frugal life? Today, we're diving into 17 insanely simple frugal living tips inspired by the Oracle of Omaha himself. Stick around and you'll discover how you too can build wealth without breaking the bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Now, let's get straight into it. Have you ever noticed Warren Buffett isn't flaunting flashy brands? Except for a few favorites like Coca-Cola and McDonald's, he sticks to essentials. His suits? Custom made by a small entrepreneur named Madam Lee. Start buying generic brands and you'll be amazed at how much you save. An emergency fund is a lifesaver. Buffett's advice? Don't save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. It's simple. Set up an automatic transfer to a separate account. Trust me, you'll sleep better at night knowing you've got a cushion for those unexpected expenses. Start borrowing, whether it's books from the library or baby gear from friends. Why buy when you can borrow? Even Warren borrowed a crib for his third child. It's easy, eco-friendly, and frugal. Now, here's a big one: patience. Buffett once said, "You don't have to swing at every pitch." Waiting for the right moment, whether it's investments or purchases, is key. Trust me, waiting pays off. Your city's website is a goldmine. Free events, concerts, and activities are just a click away. Buffett enjoys simple pleasures in Omaha. You can too, wherever you live. Don't upgrade your tech unless it's necessary. Buffett famously stuck to a flip phone for years. Why chase every new gadget when what you have works just fine? Find inexpensive hobbies. Warren loves bridge, and it costs next to nothing. Personally, I took up drawing with just a pencil and paper. It's fun, relaxing, and budget-friendly. Only eat out if it's cheap. Buffett's diet is famously simple, and cooking at home saves a ton. Plus, it's healthier and more satisfying. Save, save, save. It's not just about emergencies, but also about future investments. Automatic savings make it effortless. And remember, investing in yourself is the best investment. Read books, take courses, and keep learning. It's the easiest way to grow your wealth and happiness. Use coupons. Even billionaires like Buffett do it. With apps like Ibotta, saving money is just a tap away. Invest your money wisely. Start with small, regular investments and watch them grow over time. Buffett's method? Dollar cost averaging. Simple and effective. Buy used cars. Buffett never buys new. A used car can give you the same functionality at a fraction of the price. Use cash or debit cards. It's a great way to avoid debt and keep spending in check. Rule number 1, don't lose money. Always consider the value of what you're buying. Is it worth it? If not, skip it. Wait for sales. Buffett buys when prices are right. You should too. Only buy what you'll still use in 10 years. It's a simple way to avoid clutter and unnecessary expenses. Have a home that fits your life. Buffett's lived in the same house for over 55 years. It's about comfort, not size. Enjoy moments over expenses. Spend time with loved ones, create memories, and cherish the simple joys of life. So there you have it. 17 easy frugal living tips from Warren Buffett. Start today and take control of your finances. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you in the next one.